the same. In this case, you have two questions to say, especially the place where you are, where were you born? And as well, if somebody asks you, what's your nationality? You use I am, or you can say it directly. I am, and then in this case, you said your nationality, okay? And the last activity that we couldn't do, is this part that is called wrap up. What is this part about? In this case, you have to listen to the track that I'm going to share the song with you. And then you have to complete the sentences with the words that you will hear. So here you have some gaps, and then you have to pay attention for the words that you will hear, okay? So my kids, let's start. Pay attention about this. Let's go, my kids.
Unit 5, Wrap Up.
Hi, I'm Helen, and I come from the U.S.
Nice to meet you, Helen. I'm Hector. Do you like it here in Canada?
Not really. The weather here is too cold for me to go outside.
I prefer warmer climates, like Singapore. Singapore is very warm.
I agree, but it isn't dry enough. It's too rainy.
Oh, maybe you should go to Libya. It's very dry and warm all year round.
So, did you got the words, or did you like that I repeat again the track? Repeat? Yeah, all right.
Unit 5, Wrap Up.
Hi, I'm Helen, and I come from the U.S.
Nice to meet you, Helen. I'm Hector. Do you like it here in Canada?
Not really. The weather here is too cold for me to go outside.
I prefer warmer climates, like Singapore. Singapore is very warm.
I agree, but it isn't dry enough. It's too rainy.
Oh, maybe you should go to Libya. It's very dry and warm all year round.
All right, so did you got the words? Again? All right, I am going to repeat only one time more, and then we'll see, okay? Only one time more.
Unit 5, Wrap Up.
Hi, I'm Helen, and I come from the U.S.
Nice to meet you, Helen. I'm Hector. Do you like it here in Canada?
Not really. The weather here is too cold for me to go outside.
I prefer warmer climates, like Singapore. Singapore is very warm.
I agree, but it isn't dry enough. It's too rainy.
Oh, maybe you should go to Libya. It's very dry and warm all year round.
Yeah, okay. So in this case, if you analyze, you have some parts of the weather. Here in this case, if you analyze, you have some parts of the weather, all right? Okay, now in this case, where is the country that Helen is from? Where is it? Where is she from?
USA.
Like this? Yeah, all right. And then listen to me. Sometimes people call USA or only US because it means United States. Of course, the country is United States of America, but some people only used to say US, but no problem. Then now let's see what's the word that this order is using. And then Helen doesn't like the in Canada.
Weather?
Okay, let's analyze. Yeah, you said weather. Yeah, in Canada, it is very cold.
Two.
Yeah, I think it's two. Hector,
Prefer.
what? What?
Prefer.
Prefer. Warmer climates. Helen,
Unit 5. Wrap up.
Hi, I'm Helen, and I come from the US.
US. You understand? Can you notice that she didn't say USA? Only she said US. Look,
And I come from the US.
and I come from the US, no USA, US. Yeah, let's continue.
Nice to meet you, Helen. I'm Hector. Do you like it here in Canada?
Not really. The weather here is too cold for me to go outside.
So Helen doesn't like the weather in Canada because it's too cold for her. If you analyze, for example, a Canada, if you see a map, yeah, in this case, if you see a map, Canada, I need to see a map. Yeah, let's analyze, my kids. And in this case, I'd like that you can please analyze. Do you consider that in Canada is warmer or in United States is warmer than Canada? ¿Dónde cree que hace más frío, en Canadá o en Estados Unidos? What do you think?
Canada.
Canada. For sure. And now, I'd like to tell you why. Miren que por acá, sí, tenemos la parte de Alaska. And in these kind of places, you will see only ice. All right, let's continue.
I prefer warmer climates, like
Excellent. Hector prefers warmer climates. Don't forget, remember, after he, she, and it, you always need to add a letter S to the verb. The real verb is prefer. But why do I put letter S? I put letter S because of the word Hector. Hector. Hector prefers warmer climates. Helen, let's go.
Singapore. Singapore is very warm.
I agree, but it isn't dry enough.
So,
Rainy.
I agree, but it isn't dry enough.
yeah. Look, what about Singapore? Analyze.
Singapore is very warm. Climates, like Singapore. Singapore is very warm.
I agree, but it isn't dry enough.
So, it is too Singapore's, it is too,
Warm.
yeah. And it's not,
Cold.
no.
Singapore is very warm.
I agree, but it isn't dry enough. It isn't dry enough.
Right.
What?
Dry.
Dry enough. All right, so in Libya, let's analyze about Libya.
It's too rainy.
Oh, maybe you should go to Libya. It's very dry and warm all
Dry,
Warm.
year round.
so,
All year round.
Round.
yeah. Are you sure that these are the words, or maybe you would change some of them? Are you sure? Yes. Let's analyze. I think here is not the word. I told you. Esta no era la palabra. Le señalé. So instead of warm, you use rainy. Rainy. That is the word. That is the word. Rainy. Yeah. Analyze, don't forget that this kind of activities you have to do with pencil, with pen, sorry. Not with pencil, with pen. Okay, you finished? You finished? All right, very good. Okay, hurry up, Thais. Emilio, which grade is your brother? Which grade is your brother? You are in 8th. Yeah, which is the grade of your brother?
6th.
Yeah. All right. Okay, kids. Yeah. All right, let's go. Okay, my kids. So here in the next page, we have a really important topic that is called comparatives and superlatives. This is a really good topic, but of course, it's really important that you analyze what is it. Now, students, could you please tell me some adjectives that you may remember? Some adjectives. Tell me some adjectives. What are the adjectives that you may say? Adjectives.
Big.
What?
Big.
Yeah, all right. Let's write down big. What else? What else? Big. What else?
Small.
Yeah, small. Yeah, what else?
Dry.
Dry. What else? Look, I told you, I asked you for adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are those words that we use for describing people, for saying how the people is, how people look like. So you may say about the appearance, the physical appearance, or even about the internal appearance. But all those words that you can use for describing, those words are adjectives. So you may say alto, pequeño, bonito, gordito, whatever of those words in English and of course in Spanish are adjectives, right? And you may use. It's really important that you remember these kind of words because with those words, you will have an idea about how to use them. Okay, so what is the activity, my kids? For tomorrow, I am going to ask you for adjectives, and you may tell me, at least 2 or 3 or more adjectives. That is the thing for tomorrow.